friend Stupidbro here,
With
and today,
JoJo.
in honor of 4th of July week, we are setting off some fireworks, and here's the first one up.
And rating them,
tank.
too.
Yep. Oh, okay.
Whoa, stand back.
And... what the... Liberty David. Okay.
That was loud.
I think I'll rate this like 5 out of 5 stars for weirdness. But yeah, okay. Don't worry, we can edit that out. Okay.
Hey, it survived this time.
Yeah, it survived. Wait, last time we set off one of these, it burned a hole in it. Yay! Ah!
Careful.
Ow!
It's hot.
Yes, it's hot. Ow. Okay. So just relax. I can edit it out. Okay. So we're cool. Smoke balls.
They're just a different.
Lighter working.
Yep.
All right. Cool.
Okay.
Lighter up.
Lighter up.
No,
and then
David,
toss
David,
it.
we actually did this once.
Toss it.
Toss it. And
Look at that nice blue
yeah, we
smoke.
actually had one blow up once. That was very fun to watch, admittedly. Yep.
And one sec, I want to show them something. If you look very carefully, it actually
Warning,
leaves.
this does stain like everything.
So be careful whenever you use
actually
it.
got like stains from last time.
Yeah, last time we
All
used
right,
them.
hey,
Look at this.
lighting another one. Lighter up. And
Look at that. Nice, cute blue
oh,
smoke.
that one's dead.
Yeah, that one's a dead though.
Let me see.
The problem is there's a lot of deads in the
Hey, hey,
packages,
hey.
so.
I'm about to light another one.
Come on, just set it down. You have the ability to.
I know, but it's fun to do this now.
No.
You know, fine. You light it.
Girls, you don't know anything about that, right?
What?
Like a couple fires are all gone.
What?
Alright, hey. Make sure it's working. Yeah, so.
Look at that nice white smoke. And if you guys don't know, my favorite, JoJo's favorite color is white, which is me, so I love white. Ooh, nice. This is going to be like a nice Sonic blue.
Yeah, they would, wouldn't they?
And
Well, it's a lot of fun if you light them and then throw them. And I think the wind's like so strong that it's making most of it go away before. Oh, there it. Oh, it went.
That one popped.
That happens a lot, actually.
That's the one you don't want.
Although generally, no, because it only does it after it lights up.
poof! Look at that nice, cute yellow smoke.
Alright, how many more we got? We got like more, way more. Alright, what do you guys say we light more than one at a time now? Because it's really awesome actually when you light multiple at the same time. We actually had one blow like the top off, and that was hilarious.
Okay,
oh, dude. Whoa!
Whoa!
Yeah, and that's exactly what it did before it did that. And lots of smoke. Perfect smoke ball. That's a good one.
Look at all that fog!
Light her up. Oh, dude, Dad, what?
Whoa!
Yes, this actually I think would work perfect for Halloween. Just a tip.
If you want to make a nice...
I could. What do you think, Dad? Can you picture someone doing this for Halloween? Light a couple of smoke balls. Put them in a jar.
Put it on their porch and boom. Nice.
Only if you got a lid on it.
No. You get these guys too hot in one spot. Why?
You set it down on the porch. The wooden porch.
Ooh, that one's like a nice foggy color.
Yeah.
That one actually looks like milk, doesn't it?
If milk were gaseous, yeah. Alright, and that's the last of them, I think, right?
Yep, that's the last.
one.
Oh, wow, you saw that. Oh, my. Yes, there we go.
That's
Always one. Always one in every single package. Why?
And I'm just gonna come up closer. Really cool, right?
Zoom out, though, a bit. Zoom out.
Because there's not really that much heat going on, really.
Alright.
A little one.
Okay. Alright, and the next up is this quote, and I quote, hen laying egg. And I think that's probably a translation error because, hold on, let me see, because it looks to be like Oriental in origin. I think that's a translation error. Alright.
Actually, I think they didn't like.
That's a translation error, I think.
Yeah.
Because I'm pretty sure hens lay eggs, not eggs lay hens. Alright, now back up, back up. See what this little sucker does. Woo!
Whoa. Dud. That was a dud.
No, I think that's all it was supposed to do. Oh, what do you think? 3 stars? 3 stars?
No.
1 star. Underwhelming.
Next up then is the frog. Ribbit, ribbit.
Okay, I'm gonna stand back.
Wow!
No, that's.
Well, definitely better than the chicken. Better than the chicken. Woo! Wow! My goodness gracious! Did not see that coming. Right, and this next up are these flashing signals by the Canon brand. We're gonna try we're gonna try 1 or 2 of these right now. Then we're gonna try more after dark. Okay.
Look at all those houseflies.
Oh my
That's
gosh.
a lot. Goodness gracious. Okay.
Look at all those flies.
You ready? No. Let me see.
Stand back. And it's really small, so
Really small little red thing.
I'll just.
Oh, yep. So, volcano. Ah, jeez. Yep.
That.
I think we're gonna save the rest until nighttime.
Yeah, that's probably
no.
really cool at nighttime.
Alright. It's a little darker, not by much, but hopefully we should be able to do it. Alright.
And then we'll
Fun.
do 2 at once.
Yeah, that's good. That should be fun. Actually,
Back off.
alright, you're not fine. Yeah. Can you light it? Here, let me see it. Oh, wait, you got it? Yeah, it's a bit windy. Okay, go, back. Back. Whoa, yep. That was dark enough to make a difference. Yep, okay. That was legit. Legitness. Uh-huh.
We're wanting to set up 2 at once.
Go. Okay. Woo! Oh my goodness, it's blinding. That can't be good for my camera lens. At all. And woo! Just look at that smoke go off into the wind. Okay.
Now I better, where's the water?
Yeah. Because those tend to be a bit off flambe immediately afterwards.
Yeah, like I'm serious.
Alright, so these next ones are Morning Glory Sparklers. They're
According
awesome.
to the
They're-
sparkler
They're awesome.
they're actually.
They're awesome. They do awesome things, and I love them. And I love them. This is just the first, but this is the first time I've been able to actually.
Grip on the porch, alright? It's not here.
Okay, so,
Not facing. Come on, facing.
are you sure? Okay.
Just don't get my big fat belly in the kitchen.
Okay. Oh.
It's really hard on a windy day. Hopefully it won't be that.
Yeah, so they got off like a walk first. So that's our lot is yeah, it's pretty. It's off a nice control. When it does it. So. There we go. This is my favorite part. It does like these little mini fireworks off to the side. Oh no, it went out. Oh, there we go. Got it to light again. So yeah, it seems like maybe it's the wind or something. I don't know. But so
Keep them together and they should be able to keep each other lit.
so and thing is though, do you see these massive amounts of smoke coming off? It's pretty massive.
Okay,
And-
mine's about to start that, like, thing. Where
Yeah. Okay. So mine went out.
my favorite thing to do with these sparklers is, like, run around the yard.
Yeah, and then they do that. So I would rate these 5 stars. They're definitely worth the 75 cents per 6. So yes, it is quite the steal. Yes, I love it.
For 6, yeah, that was the best deal we could have.
Yes, best deal ever. It's like, I think that's about 10 cents
And
a piece.
I'm pretty sure
less
the rest of them were actually more expensive.
Yeah, this was by far the cheapest firework we got. And,
Actually, no, the chicken one was.
I'm,
Beth,
wait.
you have a mosquito. Stupidbro, you have a mosquito on your eye.
Alright, so I think that one's done.
We have. Oh.
Oh yeah,
show
let's,
them the water.
alright.
Show them the water.
Alright, this is our water bucket. Alright guys, and we saved the best one for last. This is, let's see, what's it called again? It's Tropical Fish. The Tropical Fish Fountain. The most expensive one that we've got. Hopefully it'll be the best. I don't know, I do that sometimes. It's weird. Alright. So, light her up, then get back, way back, way back. Woo!
Now that's what I call a fountain fireworks.
Okay, I'm gonna rate this probably 3 stars, maybe? Nope. No, actually that's really long. Okay, you know what, 4 stars, definitely 4 stars.
Yeah, it's worth the money, that's for sure. It was actually the cheapest one there, and we didn't have very much money left, so.
Yep. $5 fountain.
Woo!
Woo!
That's a long one considering the fact that it was $5.
Alright. That's a lot of smoke, but it's cool. We're good.
Okay,
Woo!
extinguish it with the water.
What a way to end a video.
And we didn't even set the shit on fire.
Bye!
Yeah, please like, subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.